And this is going to be a video on how to take any macOS and turn it into a virtual disk that can be used to run on VMware Workstation. I will walk you through the steps and show you what you need to do to download and convert any macOS, any Macintosh operating system into a virtual disk that can be run on VMware Workstation. First and foremost, you need to go into your task manager. You need to make sure virtualization is enabled. You're going to open up your task manager. You're going to click on performance, and then you're going to look right here to see if it's enabled. As long as that's enabled, we can continue. If not, please find the video first to enable virtualization. Next, we're going to download a fresh copy of macOS after we install some other things. First, I want you to install Python. So, download the most recent version is fine. Now you're going to get to this screen where setup was successful, and you can close out this installation. Next, we're going to download a tool called OpenCore, which contains a Python script we need for this. So, and I will put the links on the screen so you can see. So we're going to go down here, OpenCore from GitHub, and you want to download the most recent release. When that's downloaded, you want to unzip it. And we're going to go to Utilities, and then go to a folder called Mac Recovery. While in this folder, you want to hold Shift and right click anywhere and select the Open in Terminal. Now the next command you can put into here, I'm going to show you where I'm. So you would take the next command, depending on which Mac OS you want to turn into a virtual disk to run on VMware, you would use one of these commands. So we're just going to use Sonoma for the purpose of this video. You want to take that and paste that here. Download. Paste that command here again. Let it download the Mac OS you want to convert, which in this case is Sonoma. Now that that is downloaded, we want to take and go back into that Open Core Mac recovery folder and grab the base system.dmg file. We want to take it, we're going to cut that from here. And you're going to go into your documents folder and you're just going to paste it there. Close this. Now we need a tool called QEMU, and we're going to download that and install it. Just download the most recent up-to-date exe. Ignore this. This is just protection for some programs. It's just smart screen protection. You can run this. It won't hurt your computer. Go through and install this. When this is finished, we're going to use this tool to convert the base damage file we moved to our documents into the virtual disk you can use with VMware. Now what you want to do is close this, go back into your documents. You want to hold shift, right click, open in terminal. And you want to run the following command that I'm fixing to paste. Hit enter. And as soon as this completes, you can close PowerShell. And now you have this recovery.vmdk, which is your virtual disk for Sonoma that can be used. And you can take this and run it in VMware Workstation. I'm assuming that you've already installed VMware Workstation and have unlocked it for Apple, which we're not covering in this video. This video is specifically about taking the macOS of any version and converted it into a virtual disk that can be used with VMware Workstation. If you have any questions, please list them below. Um, like and subscribe if you like these types of videos, and thank you for watching.